Hi everyone, I'm Dennis. So Filmora 14 just dropped and it came with a bunch of features. In this video, we're going to take a look at those features and what they have to offer. So feature number one is Smart Short Clips. Now this is a feature they introduced whereby you can insert long form content into Filmora and it repurposes the content into short form content that is for YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok videos and the like. So how we go about this is we're going to open Filmora. So this is the Filmora startup window, and as you can see just below here there are a bunch of new features that they've introduced. We'll choose the smart short clips. Now you can choose to, let me just cancel that. You can choose to use a YouTube video whereby you can just paste the link, or you can upload a local video from your computer. And I'll just choose a random clip. The first thing you do is select the language. You can select English. You can choose the duration of the clips that you want generated and the theme. Depending on the theme, they'll give you different templates of how captions will appear, just different looks of what they think is trendy or works for that type of content. So once you've done that, you can choose generate. Remember, this is an AI feature. Filmora uses credits for such. Once you're done, you can just choose generate. It will use the number of credits. I think this is dependent on how long, or rather how many clips your video has. Once that is done, you can review your clips and see how that goes. Now, feature number two is AI Video Enhancer. Under AI Video Enhancer, Filmora tries to improve the quality of your video. Maybe you have a blurry video. Filmora tries to improve the quality. How you go about that is once you open Filmora, probably just import the same clip. We'll add this onto the timeline. One thing we need to keep in mind is AI Video Enhancer works with clips that are less than a minute long. So for example, my clip is 1:14. So it may not work for this one. So I'll go to video. Under video, we go to AI tools and we have AI Video Enhancer. When I click my video and turn this on, it tells me the duration of the selected clip exceeds 1 minute. Try shortening the clip. So I'll just try to shorten my clip here. Maybe, yeah, just about there. So when I go back to turning on AI Video Enhancer, it's possible. When I hit generate, it will enhance the whole clip. Remember, there is also an AI feature that uses credits. Number three, we have the AI Video Denoiser. It is just below the AI Video Enhancer, and this feature removes noise on your video. So this is more for maybe grainy footage or old footage. It tries to smoothen it, and the process is just the same as the Video Enhancer. You click the video, you choose Video Denoise, it starts processing. Now, I'm not going to go through this right now. We will do an in-depth video review of these features. Right now, we're just perusing through and seeing what they have to offer. Next, we have the AI Voice Enhancer. The AI Voice Enhancer tries to create a studio feel to the recorded sound that is on the video. It removes reverb, it removes background noise, and just enriches the audio. So how we go about this is we select our clip, we go to audio, and under basic, we'll just scroll down to AI Voice Enhancer. When we click on this, this is a free feature. That's a good thing. We can change the clarity, we can change the beautification. Then you just go through, listen to your clip and listen to what it's done to your audio. If you like it, well and good. If you don't, play around with the settings, I believe. Next, we have the AI sound effect generator. This is for generating sound effects. You just type what sound effect you're looking for and the software will generate a sound. So how we go about this is we'll head on over to the audio tab. Under AI sound effect, there is a text box, or rather you can input text. You can choose maybe clicking sound or something. You can play around with the settings. You can choose the duration of the sounds you're looking for, and also the number of sound effects, how many times they iterate. Once you're happy with that, you can just choose generate. Now remember, this feature needs credits, so keep that in mind. Next, we have the AI Video Object Remover. This feature is used to remove unwanted objects from the scene or from the video, and maybe unwanted things or faces of people. Depends with the look of your video. How we do this is we select a clip, and around the middle section, this is our AI object remover button. When we click on this, it loads this cursor that looks sort of green-ish. Yeah. The first thing you do is select the brush size. You can increase or decrease this depending on the area you want to remove. Now, say I want to remove this cable that is protruding here. I'll maybe just come and try to roughly draw around there. Yeah, we can maybe just choose the selection and choose remove. Remember, this is an AI feature that requires credits. The next bunch of features are under the video tab. And the first feature we're going to take a look at is the planar tracking. Now, the planar tracking is a feature they've introduced where the software tracks a plane surface that is based on 4 corners. Say maybe you have a moving vehicle, you just choose 4 points that the software will track, and in those 4 points you can replace that with an image or a video. How we go about this is we select our clip, we go to video. Under video, we go to AI tools. Under AI tools, we have this option called planar tracking. Under planar tracking, when we turn this on, you can opt to go with auto option. It will assess objects on the scene and advise on the best place to track. But you can also choose the advanced option. Now, it introduces this square, and you can move it around just like that. You can just point it to where you want to track. Now, you can choose the level of accuracy you're looking for. You can choose between low, default, or high. Next is the element. The link element is what you want to replace with. Maybe you want another video there, maybe you want another image there. And once you click here, it gives you the option to import from your computer or add a mosaic. Next, you can analyze, you can go frame by frame. The buttons on both ends are going backwards. Previous frame, this is the next frame, and this is going backward and going forward automatically. That is the planar tracking. I think it's an interesting feature. We're going to test that in our in-depth review. The next feature they've introduced is multicam editing. This is a very welcome feature, especially for me, whereby you can insert your different camera angles, dump all the footage on the media bin, select all of it, and create a multicam clip. This is similar to the feature in Premiere, so that is awesome. Now, I do not have video from different angles. We're going to have this on our in-depth review. But for now, what you're going to do is just import your footage, highlight it, then right-click and create multicam clip. Yeah, we're going to test that. The next feature they have is AI face mosaic or automatic face blur. Now, this is a feature whereby you can automatically blur people who are not supposed to be in a video, or they appeared in the video accidentally. You just automatically blur their faces using a click of a button. So how we do this is in Filmora, we're going to insert our clip and we'll head on over to effects. Under body effects, there is face mosaic. Now, there are a bunch of different effects that you can use. I'll look for a free one, maybe a horizontal blur. Yeah, I can drag this over onto my timeline. And when this downloads, you can customize, or rather you can choose how many faces to blur. So when you click on this magic wand, it detects that face, this face, and this. Let's unblur the LED and blur the guy or whoever. So when you play this forward, the primary faces that you chose to be blurred are automatically blurred. You can replace the blur however you want. You can add a classic, sorry about that. You can add the classic mosaic, but this is also a feature that requires credits, or rather a subscription. The ones with the pink diamond, they require a subscription to Filmora assets. But we do have some very nice free options here. You can just do different styles. You can change the strength. You can change the feather depending on where it reaches on the face, and the opacity as well. So yeah, that is the AI automatic face blur. So that is a quick run through of all the features that launched with Filmora 14. We are going to do an in-depth review of each and every one of those features. So if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.